and I am going to be doing a lesson on the food pyramid to a kindergartner. So I'm actually using a kindergartner instead of just doing it myself alone. So, alright. Let's see here. Does this look familiar at all to you? Have you ever seen one of these before? No. This is called a food pyramid. And it tells you about all the things that your body needs to make it grow and make it be healthy and make it kind of grow the right way. What kind of things do you think would make your body healthy? What kind of things could you do besides this pyramid? We'll talk about that in a little bit. Besides that pyramid, what could you do that would make your body healthy? Exercise, that's a good one. What kind of exercise could you do? Running around the block. And what else could you do? Going to the gym. What would you do at a gym? Stretch out your muscles. Why do you think it's important for your body to have exercise?
Because it makes your heart beat.
It does. It makes your heart beat. You're so smart. Makes your heart beat really fast. And when your heart's beating fast, it's happy. Did you know that? So put your hand on your heart and see if you can feel it beating right now. You're not going to want to be in here. The camera's on right now. Can you go turn the TV off for me, please? Please? Turn the TV off first, please. Thank you. Do you feel your heart beating?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Is it beating fast or slow? Kind of slow. Let's stand up. And we're going to jump up and down 10 times. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to run in place. As fast as you can. Keep running! Keep running! Keep running! Keep going! Keep going! Keep going! Keep going! Keep going! Okay, we're going to jump again. Jump, 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 jump. Keep jumping! Keep jumping! Don't stop! How do your legs feel?
I'm kind of tired.
Kind of tired? Stop. Do they... Put your hand on your heart now again.
Yeah, really fast.
Is it beating really, really fast? That's how your heart says it's happy.
My video.
Yes. That's how you know that your heart is happy. And your heart works so hard, and it has to feed all your fingers and your legs and your toes. It has to feed all of those. And so when it beats really fast, it feeds them really fast, and they like that a lot. So we can get exercise for our body. What else can we do to make our body happy? Yeah, happy and healthy.
Washing your hands.
Washing your hands. That's a good one. Why do we want to wash our hands?
So your germs don't get on other people.
Yep, so your germs don't get on other people, and you don't get germs too. So you want to make sure that you're clean, and you're washing your hands, and you're taking showers, so that you don't have germs and you don't get sick. Exactly. So we want to be healthy and wash our hands. We want to exercise. How about we want to get lots of sleep too, because when we sleep, our body, that's when it rests, and it tries to make our muscles stronger and our brain stronger and all that stuff. So that's another one too. And another way is to eat healthy foods. What's another one? Drink lots of water. That is a good one. Our body needs lots and lots of water. So we need to eat healthy foods. Do you know what a healthy food is?
And it makes your body really happy.
Yep, a food that makes your body really happy. What kind of foods would be happy, make your body happy?
Carrots.
Carrots.
Apples.
Apples.
Yogurt.
Yogurt. That's a good one. That would make your body happy.
Celery.
Celery. What would make your body not happy?
Cake.
Cake. Yep. Hey, you can sit down. There. Can you scoot back a little bit? Yep. Yeah, so cake would not make your body happy, would it? What else wouldn't make your body happy?
Pudding.
Puddings. Snickers.
Jello.
Jello. What are those kind of called? What do they call those? Junk foods. Why are they called junk foods?
Because they're bad for you.
Yeah, they're junky for you, aren't they? So this is called our food pyramid, and this tells you what you're supposed to be eating and what is healthy for you. Let's see. I'm going to see if you guys can read the words that I have on my food pyramid. And we're going to raise your hand if you know it, okay? Yep. Allison, do you know what that says? Grains. Right. What's a grain? Do you know what a grain is? Zach, do you know what a grain is?
It's a little, it's a little speck of wheat.
Yeah.
And it's really healthy for you. It has protein.
Yeah, it has what's called carbohydrates in them. And those are, the grains are good things that help your body stay nice and clean inside and stuff like that. What's an example of a grain? What do you think a grain, what would have grains in it? If you think of a wheat, that it's something that might be in it. Zach, do you know what a grain is?
Nutri-Grain bars.
Nutri-Grain bars? They are kind of the outside of them, the brown side of the Nutri-Grain bars. They have grain in it. What else, Allison? Bread. Yep, bread is a grain. Can you think of anything else that's maybe made out of, do you know what flour is? Yeah, there's brown flour and white flour and stuff like that. Think of those things. What's made out of those? What are those made out of? Zach?
Cookies.
Cookies. You're right. They are made out of flour. Do you think they belong in the grains? Or do you think they might belong over here in sweets? Because they, along with, what do cookies have in them? They have flour.
Cookie dough.
What's in cookie dough? Do you know what's in cookie dough? Have you ever made cookies before?
No.
Yeah. Water is in them. Milk is in them.
Chocolate chips.
And M&Ms. Do you know what a lot is in there? Is that white sugar and that brown sugar. There's a lot of that in it. If you didn't have that in there, it'd probably be a lot better for you, but because you have lots of sugar, then cookies aren't very good for you. And you know what? I don't have any grains on here now that I think about it. I forgot to grab a grain. But grains are like noodles. Noodles can be grains, and breads can be grains. What's this one?
Vegetables.
Vegetables. What's a vegetable? You can just answer.
A really healthy food.
A healthy food for you, isn't it? Can you name some vegetables? Allison?
Celery.
A celery. Zach?
Onion.
An onion is a vegetable. How about a tomato? Yeah, those are actually fruits, but that'll get you all mixed up. Corn is a vegetable, right. What's this one? Fruits. And we have, you guys know what fruits are, right? Bananas and apples and all that stuff. We're going to do other stuff here, too. So just be patient, okay? And we have sweets, and we have dairy. Does anybody know what dairy is? Zach?
Like milk.
Milk products, yep.
Like yogurt.
Yogurt. Ice cream. What else does ice cream have in it besides milk that makes it kind of one of these? Lots of sugar, yeah. Lots and lots of sugar.
And water.
Yeah, but water wouldn't make it a
Milk,
sweet,
milk,
would it?
milk.
What would make it a sweet? The sugar would. Yeah. So what's a dairy? A milk, a yogurt, cheese is one. What's this one?
Protein.
Protein. Do you know what a protein is? Allison.
A kind of chicken.
Yeah. It's kind of, proteins help build your muscles. So if you eat those, they're the ones that give you lots of energy to build up your muscles. So chicken is a good one. Steak or hamburger. You know what else is one? Peanut butter. Or nuts. And, yes, Zach?
The blue diamond almonds.
The blue diamond almonds, yep. And you know what else is a protein that I brought? Beans. Beans are proteins, and so are eggs, because they have protein in them too. So we're going to play, do you notice that on my pyramid, some of them are bigger than others, aren't they? Yep. Which one do you think is the biggest one?
Dairy.
Oh, that one kind of looks, the orange and the dairy.
And the fruits.
Yeah. Which one's the smallest one?
Sweet.
The sweets.
No.
That's a teeny tiny one you're supposed to have.
Green.
The grain's the smallest one? I don't think so. And the protein is kind of big too, but not too much, because you want to get your muscles super duper strong, don't you?
Some protein.
So I have some different foods on here, and we're going to see if we can put them in the right place. Where you think they might be.
Can you do Arnold?
So the first one we're going to try is an apple. We're going to do an apple. What group do you think the apple belongs to, Allison? Yep. What do you think it goes in?
Fruit.
A fruit. Can you put the apple in the fruits for me? Good job.
It's ready.
Then I have, let's do this one. What does this look like? Zach.
Cheese with a little goldfish print.
Does it have a goldfish print on it?
Yeah.
Cheese. Yep. Where do you think the cheese goes? No. And the dairy. Good job. You like the goldfish print? Alright. Allison, let's see here. Which one should... How about carrots? Where do you think the carrots go? What food group do you think the carrots go in? How about syrup that goes on your pancake set? Where do you think that goes? Syrup. Think about what syrup's made out of. What do you think syrup is made out of? Think about how it tastes. No, let's put that afterwards. Think about syrup. Allison, do you know? Where do you think syrup is?
In the...
Do you think it's something that your body... Do you think it's something that your body is healthy for your body or not healthy for your body? Kind of not healthy? And it probably has... Does it taste sour?
No.
Or salty? How does it taste?
It tastes like honey.
But on your tongue, how does it taste?
Like honey.
Like honey. Is honey sour?
Honey.
Is honey... Or does syrup taste salty?
No.
Does syrup taste sweet?
Yeah.
Yeah? Kind of like it's got a lot of sugar in it, maybe?
I think it goes first.
It does. It goes in the sweets. That's a tricky one. Zach, can you put it in the yellow one? It goes in the sweets.
It's kind of tricky.
It is a tricky one. The syrup isn't good for your pancakes, or isn't good for your body. It's good for your pancakes. But you know what? That's why you're allowed to have a little bit of sweets every day. It's because sometimes things that you maybe would put on your pancakes are probably not the best for you. How about chicken? Where's the chicken go? Yep, you can put that on there.
I think
Which one's that one?
pearl.
The protein. Good
I
job.
think it has the thing on the outside. That's
Oh, you think that? Well, you might be
I
right.
think we put it on the color that it has on the outside.
How about this stuff? Hearty Harvest bread. Where do you think the bread goes?
Easy grain.
Grains.
Because it has the color orange.
How about the salad? Where did the lettuce salad go? Nice
We
job.
figured out the
Did you figure out what was happening?
outside. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the color that's on the outside.
How about pancakes? We had the syrup, now we have the pancakes.
Because it's bread.
Yeah, pancakes are kind of like bread, so they go in the grain
Without
section.
the syrup, they should go in sweets.
Counting the syrup, they should go in sweets. How about milk?
Okay, so I'll put them in sweets.
No,
But they have syrup on them.
we're talking about the pancakes, though. We already did the syrup part. I couldn't find a pancake without syrup. Ooh. This one is
Organic milk?
Yeah. What does organic mean? Do you know what organic milk means?
Don't talk like that.
Yeah. Zach, do you know what organic milk means?
It's really good for you. Organic is good.
Yeah. Organic means that they didn't use any...
Like sugar.
No, it means that they didn't use any chemicals when they were with the animals. No, they don't take the chemicals out. They don't give any chemicals or any medicine to the cows to make them make better milk or anything like that. It just means that they try to take all the bad stuff out of it, and you just get good stuff. Stuff like that. How about donuts?
That's mine.
Is it your turn?
Mommy just did the
Yep, you can do the donuts.
organic milk. Donuts.
And we'll do one more. Can you put the donuts up there, please, Zach?
Yeah.
Otherwise, I can have Allison do it for you
They should go in
instead.
the
The donuts?
It has bread in it.
It does have bread in it, but is it good for you?
No, and
No?
it could go under dairy.
How could it go under dairy?
Jackie.
No, you're right. It does have some of the grains in it, but it has too much of the bad stuff for you that it's considered a sweet. Do you know what this is?
Cabbage.
No, it's not a cabbage. Not a potato. Do you know what this one is, Zach? It's not a squash.
You just guessed on me.
It starts with an R. We don't have it at our house.
Radish.
A radish. Good job. Where does a radish go? Yep. Where's the radish go? In the vegetables. Good job. Alright, so now I have we did some pictures. Now we're going to, because I had some cheating on here, so that if you got stuck you could kind of figure it out. We're going to use some real foods and see which one they go in. So, I am going to... Zach, can you set crisscross applesauce for me, please? Thank you. Alright. We are going to do green beans. Zachary, thank you for raising your hand. Which food group do you think green beans go in?
They're still green, so they go in vegetables.
They are green. They do go in vegetables, don't they? Oh, just wait.
Vegetables.
Alright, let's see here. Allison, what's this? What is it? First, yogurt. Where do you think the yogurt goes?
I think it goes in the dairy.
In the dairy. High five. Good job. It goes in the dairy. Awesome. It has fruit in it, but it's yogurt, right? Yep. Okay.
It's strawberry.
How about... Ooh, this one's a tricky one, Zach. Tuna fish.
Tuna. Daddy.
Oh, sit back. We're just telling. Which one do you think it goes in? Grains, vegetables, fruits, sweets, dairy, or protein?
Dairy.
Tuna fish. What is tuna fish?
Fish.
It's chopped up fish. Right. What do you think? It's a protein. Good job. Chopped up fish goes in a protein. How about the Three Musketeers, Allison? What's the yellow one?
Sweet.
The sweets. You're right. It goes in the sweets. Alright. Or the junk food, we can call them too. Let's see here. Zachary, how about the mandarin oranges? Where do they go?
They go on
Oh, we're sitting. Crisscross applesauce, please. Goes in the fruits, you're right.
It's red.
Alright, Allison. How about my chocolate milk? Where does chocolate milk go?
It has blue.
Where does it go? It goes in the dairy. Good job.
Oh, do you want me to take that
From
to
a
the
cow,
fridge?
huh?
Want me to take that to the
Let's
fridge?
see here. Zachary, how about an onion? Where does an onion go?
Easy. Vegetable.
A vegetable.
Oh, it has a little green.
You know what we're missing? Maybe Corey can grab us a grain.
Want me to?
Can you grab me a grain, Cor?
Can I go green?
Yes.
I'll grab it for him.
How about, Zach, come sit down, please. Come back and sit down. We're not done learning. How about the pinto beans? The beans. Do you remember what food group they go in?
A grain.
A grain.
Oh, no.
From the food group. What's in the grains food
I'll
group?
get it.
You don't know what a grain is?
He thought you said drain.
He did, didn't he? What's a bean? What group does the bean go in? Oh, no way! Can't believe you remembered that one. The beans go in the protein. How about the applesauce? What's the red? Fruit. Yep, it's a fruit. Thank you, Zachary. What's this?
Bread.
Bread. What group does that one go in?
Dairy.
Which one else?
Grain.
The grain one. Good job.
Sorry.
We have what? I have 3 more left. How about the chips? Yeah. Or the junk food. The sweets and the junk food. Because they're not... Are chips good for our bodies?
It has
No.
onion in it, so what's the vegetable? It has onion in it.
I know it does, but is it good for us? No. How about celery, your favorite? Where does this one go, Zach?
Oh, yeah. Next one.
And the vegetables. You're right. I got 1 more left, and this one's a tricky one. You got to think hard about this one. How about our eggs? Where does the eggs go?
Protein.
Both at the same time. 1, 2, 3.
Protein.
Protein. You're right.
I said it the first time.
Good job.
I couldn't get it in my mouth the second time.
Now, when you go home and you have your supper, see if you can figure out what food groups you have on your plate. Okay? All right? See if you can figure out if you have all of your food groups on your plate. Okay? Because most times when you eat, you probably should have one of every one on your plate. And which ones should you eat the most of, do you think?
I think protein.
I think these two together you should eat the most of.
Yeah, I think protein.
The vegetables
And fruit.
and your fruit and the protein is the best for you.
And sweet.
But make sure you have all of them
Yeah,
and not very many sweets. Just a little bit, right? All right, thank you very much. If your name starts with, or actually if your name has the letter L in it, you may go to the bathroom and brush your teeth. Can you sit up for me, please? The crisscross applesauce. Thank you. If you can give me the name of a dairy product, you can go brush your teeth. A dairy product.
Oh.
Nope, you don't have to. Think of one all by yourself.
%2 milk.
2% milk? Good job. Give me 5.
Oh,
Go brush your teeth.
Blow it up, man.
Thank you.
Oh.